washer, replacing the door seal. Moldy, cannot be cleaned. Got a new seal, and we removed the old seal. This is the ring that holds it together. It's all rusted, so cannot be removed properly, and definitely could have been reinstalled. So good thing we have an experience, and we brought with us a brand new ring, so we can replace the new seal now and install the new ring that can hold it together. And it will take us only one visit. Instead, if we wouldn't bring this thing, we had to come back another day to complete this repair.